How to hide the taskbar in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to conceal the taskbar on your Windows 11 computer. So if you prefer a tidy desktop appearance, you can opt to hide the taskbar and only reveal it when necessary. To achieve this, navigate to the settings by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings, or simply go to the Search button and type for Settings. Either method will open the Settings window, and once there, click on the Personalization in the left-hand panel. Then scroll down to locate the taskbar, which is at the bottom. Click on it, and then you can see several options over here. Upon enabling this option, you'll notice the taskbar vanishing. Whether you need to access the taskbar, simply move your mouse pointer to the bottom of the screen and it will reappear for your use. Once you're finished, it will retreat and leaving you with a clean desktop. That is how you can hide the taskbar in Windows 11. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.